Hey everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to bring a feature that I'm excited to announce, and it is SmartSync for CAD derivative files. Now many of you may be familiar with SmartSync already as part of our workspace manager. SmartSync is the application, the technology in OpenBOM that keeps track of whether a file has changed on either end of the process, and we only bring files that have changed. Greatly improves the user experience, keeps track of large data sets, keeps them in sync. So we brought that now to derivative files in CAD, specifically in SolidWorks in this release. So what does that mean? It means that if you work like me, you generate a lot of derivative files. You can see here this bill of material that I've got kind of up here on the right has a lot of derivative files, steps, PDFs, STLs, DXFs, maybe an e-drawing. And so I've got all those settings turned on, and every time I generate the BOM in the past, we would regenerate all those files. Well, not anymore. Now, if you enable the SmartSync feature here in the settings, and then generate the BOM one more time, so we can set those markers, the next time you generate bills of material with OpenBOM, we will only generate those derivative files that have changed. In this example here, I made a little change to a radius, kind of down here on one of these parts. I'm just going to BOM this out and give you a sense of what it looks like. Now I happen to be in lightweight, so OpenBOM has showed me a message. It says, do you want to convert to resolve? And I say yes. Go ahead and update the BOM here. And I may see, there may be a few other messages pop up here since I'm working on this data set. But the important thing is that I'm just going to generate 3 or 4 neutral files, derivative files, because only 1 or 2 of the files have changed. And there's 300 and some odd other files that won't be recreated and won't be sent to OpenBOM. All right, so we just passed through that phase where we generate files, and we should see just a couple of changes coming through here in just a moment. All right, we see that single message that popped up. We generated 1 file, and we go take a look at our bill of material, and we will see that we have 1 new file for that ring that I changed the diameter on. So that is derivative files. Here we go. That is derivative files. There it is right there. This is the one that just came across. That is a derivative file SmartSync for CAD files. SolidWorks release is in this release. We'll be bringing it to all other CADs in the coming releases. So enjoy, and we love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.